So in today's video, I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges on the HP DeskJet 2800 series printers. And that includes printers like the 2852, the 2855e, the 2820e, and the 2810e. And the ink cartridge system is pretty much identical on all these printers. And if you're looking to buy ink cartridges for this printer, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. So to begin the process of replacing these cartridges, I'm going to go ahead and open this inner door. And as soon as you open that up, you'll notice that the cartridge tray slides into view. And let's start with removing the black cartridge. To begin removing the cartridge, I'm going to press down on the top of the cartridge till the lock disengages, and you'll hear a clicking sound. And then you can pull the cartridge out. And let's now remove the tricolor cartridge. So same exact procedure. Let's push down on the cartridge and gently pull it out of the tray. And the next step is to prep your cartridges for installation. And to do that, we're going to remove the outer plastic packaging and do the same thing for the other cartridge as well. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to remove this protective film from the electronic contacts on the cartridge. So peel this tape off, and you want to do that for both cartridges. And now your cartridges are ready for installation. And I'm going to insert the tricolor cartridge first with the electrical contacts facing inward. And I'm going to push the cartridge into the tray and push it all the way in till I hear that lock. And let's do the same exact thing for the black cartridge. Electrical contacts facing inward. Push it gently into the tray. And then when you get to the end of the tray, push it in more forcefully till you hear that lock. And then I'm going to close the inner compartment door, and then close the outer compartment door. And once the cartridges are installed, you'll notice that the tiny little screen on the printer displays the tricolor and black cartridge level, and that tells you that they've been successfully installed. I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.